Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to show you how to reduce the width of the Hills folding frame clothesline. Now this process is the same for a single clothesline and a double folding clothesline. So what you do, first of all, you get the spreader bar and you assemble it. Now, if you want to, for example, reduce the width of your clothesline, which is the left to right dimension, by 100 millimeters, you take 50 millimeters off each side of the spreader bar. That way it ensures that this remains in the center of your clothesline. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So we're going to measure in 50 millimeters from the end of this particular spreader bar. And we're just going to mark it. I'm just going to put a line on it to make sure we cut it nice and square. We then get our hacksaw and we proceed to cut the spreader bar. So now we've finished cutting this end, we actually do the same on the other end to ensure we get our width reduced to 100 millimeters. We then get the corner, we fit it to that, and then proceed to fit it to the clothesline. And that's all that's required when you reduce the width of your Hills folding frame clothesline. My name's Jason. Thanks for visiting the clotheslinestore.com.au and bye for now.